Mr. Korotash's Biology 30 can be an interesting class. Instead of people writing on paper, they can sometimes cut animals open. Everything from a cow eye to a baby pig fetus. But this time it's a sheep brain.
It's way more engaging than just looking at pictures in the textbook or on the smartboard. And I like the way that we're doing it here is they work in a group and they have to sort of quiz each other and work together to make sure that they understand all the parts. So it's sort of a group quiz, and I think that's a lot more engaging.
Every student agreed that the easiest part was the dissection portion, but there was also a hardest.
Easiest was just cutting it in half. The difficult part was like finding where some of the smaller structures were.
It's mostly just actually knowing where things are, because it's like so different from the diagram, so actually you get to know the real colors and everything.
Mr. Korotash tells us what he does to prepare the students for the dissection.
We learn about the anatomy first and the function, and then that way they have a little bit of background before we actually get to the dissection where they can see it in action.
There were many takeaways from the dissection, but what did they think was the biggest?
I think it's a lot more interesting and engaging for students to do something that's hands-on, and they get to see, rather than just looking at a smartboard, looking at pictures in a textbook, what it actually looks like in real life, because it's not always exactly like they show in the pictures.
So I feel like we really get the opportunity to actually see how it actually functions in real life.
Most of the students look forward to doing more dissections like this one in the future. For MCTV News, I'm Jordan Imgrund-Harvey, reporting.